This week we celebrate Earth Day. The official day is Wednesday, April 22nd, but every day is Earth Day. I thought we'd do a project to celebrate the Earth with a poster design. So the first thing that you want to do is find something that you can use to make a circle on your paper. I'm just going to use a plastic plate and trace around the outside of that. Then you want to plan your design and your lettering. So what do you want in your circle? Here's one that I made with the recycling symbol. Another with the earth itself. And here's one with the earth and someone holding the earth in their hands. So think about what you'd like to do with your circle and plan that lightly with your pencil first. If you want to do the earth, maybe you want to make some shapes that look like the continents. Doesn't have to be exact. It's just the idea that we have different bodies of land and water. And then you want to plan what you're going to say on your poster and how you're going to write those letters. That's called the typography. I'm going to draw a light guideline so I know where I want my lettering to be. And let's say we want to say protect the earth. I'm going to lightly write my lettering up here, just so I can figure out my spacing. I'm going to write the word protect on the top and the earth down at the bottom. So I'm going to count my letters in the word protect. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means that the T, the fourth letter, is actually right in the middle. I'm going to make my T right here. I'm going to make the letters that go to the right of the T and the letters that go to the left of the T, trying to make them all about the same size. Okay, on the bottom we're going to do the same, but my guideline is going to be a little bit further away from my circle, and that is going to have my words that I want on the bottom. I think I'm going to actually just put the word earth on the bottom. That has 5 letters, so the R would be in the middle, and the T and the H to the right of that, and the A and the E to the left of that. And I think on this poster design, I'll write the word the right in the middle of my picture. All right, now the style of the lettering is up to you. You could look on your computer on the internet and find some different styles of lettering that you like, or you can do simple block letters or bubble letters. If you'd like to do a bubble letter, you can just trace lightly around the pencil line that you did to make your letters a little bit thicker or wider. Remember to draw lightly so that if you have to erase anything, you can fix that. Okay, next you can take a look at how you've done everything, make any adjustments that you might need to make. And erase anything that you don't want in your finished design. Once you've cleaned up your drawing, you can go ahead and choose the materials that you'd like to work with. If you'd like to work with colored pencils, crayons, markers, that would work great for a poster. You could even work with watercolor paints if you outline your images with a permanent marker first, then you can fill everything in with watercolor paints. So there's my penciled in design, and now I'm going to bring over one of the ones that I had done previously, so you can see while we are working on the coloring, we want to make sure that we have nice, bright, bold colors to catch people's attention and really get our message across. And we want to make sure that we color neatly and get everything colored in nice and completely. So I'll take my materials that I want to color with, and I'll go ahead and work on those areas that need to be finished. And as you work, you can decide if you want to combine colors. Maybe for that water, I want to put a little bit of green in the water as well. Or in the land areas, maybe add some brown for the mountain ranges. So you'll continue to color until you have your whole entire poster filled in. And you can see if there's anything else that you need to do to make your design stand out so that everybody gets your message about Earth Day and taking care of our planet. Can't wait to see your designs.